Hello everyone, this is Lamin Sani of LSWAT, and once again welcome back to this tutorial video where I'll be showing you how to select all elements that are visible on a page, right? So as of now every element is visible, so let's try to select all the visible elements and we should be returned everything. So I'll refresh this page here from the last tutorial. So I'll say var visible equal to, so we'll select starting from the body tag, so I'll say select the body element, and then inside the body tag find every visible element in there. So if you remember from the pseudo elements tutorial video that we did, when you want to use pseudo elements you just use the colon here and then use the whatever pseudo selector that you want after that. So there is another one called visible, which I did not cover in that video because, as I said, there's lots of them, so as we're going we'll use them as needed. But just know that anytime you use the colon here that you are trying to use a pseudo element. So we'll say visible, okay, press enter. Now let's look at what's inside of the visible variable. As you can see, everything inside the body is visible, so it's returning everything down from the main paragraphs to each element inside the paragraphs. Okay, so everything is being selected and returned to us. All right, so now let's go ahead in the head tag here and just create a style sheet there. So let's say style, and inside there we're going to take every span tag and make it invisible. So we'll just select span tags in our CSS here and say display none. Okay, so let's close that using semicolon, and I'll go to the browser and I refresh this. As you can see, every span tag is invisible now. All right, so let's go and say var give me the visible elements now. So we'll just do exactly as we did previously. We'll say body, and inside the body just find every visible element in there. So I'll say sudo colon visible, press enter. Now let's check what's inside the visible variable, and when I press enter, now only the top level elements have been given to me, the container and the paragraphs. As you can see, there is no span tag in the list of selected elements here. That is because the span tags are invisible. So when you use this visible pseudo element, it doesn't show any element that is invisible. And that also applies for any element that has a width or height of 0 and you cannot see on the screen. Okay, so it only doesn't work for display none. All right, so that brings us to the end of this visible selector. In the next video, we're going to see how to select invisible elements on our page. Right, so I thank you for watching. I will see you soon in the next video. Cheers, bye bye.